This is a 610 pieces. It's 7 plus, but I kind of like that number, I guess, because I'm 7. Raya in the Heart Palace. So this is the Heart Palace over here, as you can see. I got it from Hillsdale, and it was $80 over here. And we can put that teapot sideways. And here it is. Yeah, it looks like it. I guess it looks like it from the book. And now we have to. It's so hard to put this on. Just one single part. Whoa, that was hard. Tiny balloons, like and subscribe, and press the bell button if you think this is hard. And now we're going to look for that part. Oh my god. It's right there. It's so easy. And now, how do I put it right there? Oh, it has hanging. These things are going to like hang them like that. And now we're gonna be. I'm just putting on these lanterns. There you go. Now I guess this is how it should be. These go. So guys, I'm done with this set. There's even a secret room in here, but it's supposed to be like this. I'll just leave the secret room so that you guys can see it. So now I'm going to be moving the characters in. I'm going to put Raya first.